Hello my dear students, welcome to physics classes. I am Sarabdeep Kaur Sidhu here. So today we will discuss some numerical problems based on the previous lectures. Clear? So the first numerical, that is the statement for this is a box is divided into two equal halves. A box is divided into two equal halves and 200 molecules, total number of particles or total number of molecules are 200, are enclosed in the box which freely move about in the box from one half to another half. Yeah? Calculate what we have to calculate? The ratio of time spent in the state 105,95, macro state कौन सी है 105,95 and the most probable state. And what is the most probable state? The most probable state will be 100, 100, n by 2, n by 2, that is the most probable state, and n is 200, so n by 2 is 100 into 100. Here, so solution, let T0 be the time of observation. Okay? Because we have to take the observation millions of time in 1 second. So T0 be the time of observation. Okay? That we have studied in the previous lecture number, I think 4th. Okay? And T 100, that is the time spent in the most probable state. Clear? Now we have to find the ratio of time spent in this state and most probable state, that is 300. So T 100, 100 and divided by T0. That is, we know that is equal to probability 100, 100. We know that the time spent ratio of these two times, that is equal to probability T 100, 100. This we have to find out. Here first we find out probability 100, 100 because we are taking here T 100, 100. Then we will find out for 105, 95. Now what is the probability for T 100, 100? That is equal to, yes, that is equal to W 100, 100. W is the thermodynamic probability. W is the thermodynamic probability. This we have done in the previous lecture, this formula. And this probability is equal to thermodynamic probability divided by number of microstate in the system. That is 1/2 raised to power number of 2 raised to power n. N is here 200. So 2 raised to power 200. So this is the ratio of these two times. Now W 100, 100. What is the value of T 100? W 100, 100. That is equal to n factorial, that is 200 factorial divided by n1, that is 100 factorial into 100 factorial into 1/2 raised to power 200. This is T 100, 100 divided by T0. This is equation number we take first. Clearly? Now we will find out T 105, 95. Now T 105, 95. Yes, T 105, 95 divided by T0. That is equal to probability for the state 105, 90. For the macro state 105, 95. Okay? And this is equal to again W 105, that is thermodynamic probability, divided by 2 raised to power n is here also 200. 105 plus 95, that is 200. Clearly? Now W 105, 95, that is equal to total number of particles 200 factorial divided by n1 factorial, that is 105 factorial, 95 factorial, yeah, into 1 raised to power 200. 2 raised to power 200. Take this equation as second equation. This equation as second equation. Now we have to find out these two ratio of these two equations. This is T 105, 95 divided by T. So this is equation number first. This is equation number second. We have to find out the ratio of time spent in the state 105,95 and the most probable state. So we divide equation number second by equation number first. Second by first. When we divide second by first, what you get? Yes, what you get? I repeat. What we get? Yes, T 105,95 divided by T naught divided by T 105 100,100 divided by T naught. T naught is upward. This goes with T naught. This is equal to, yes, 200 factorial divided by 105 factorial 95 factorial 1 over 2 raised to power 200 divided by this equation number first, that is 200 factorial divided by 100 factorial into 1 over 2 raised to power 2. Clear? Now what goes with what? 1 over 2 raised to power 200 goes with 1 raised to power 200. This goes with this. 200 factorial goes with 200 factorial. What you get? 100 factorial divided by 105 factorial 95 factorial. Clear? And 100 factorial, that we can write 100 factorial we can write 100 into 99 into 98 into 97 into 96 into 95 factorial. We can write this divided by 105 into 104 into 103 into 102 into 101 into 100 factorial into 95 factorial. So 95 factorial goes with 95, 100 factorial goes with 100 factorial. So you will get this. When you solve this, you will get the answer that is like 0.7769, so on, like this. Yeah. So this is your first numerical. Then is the second numerical, and this numerical is based on the fifth lecture, that is distribution of n particles in k compartments of unequal size, and the compartments are then distributed into cells. Clear? And particles are distinguishable. So the statement is there are 8 particles. 8 distinguishable particles are distributed in 2 compartments. In 2 compartments of unequal size. The compartments are of unequal size. The first compartment is further divided into 6 cells. And second is divided into 2 cells of equal size. Clear? Calculate the probability. This is very important numerical for from examination point of view. Calculate the probability. Whose probability? Which macro state? 6-2. Macro state 6-2. First compartment contains 6 particles and second compartment contains 2 particles. And second is the most probable. And most probable is that state having there are 8 particles. So the most probable state is 4,4. Clear? So solution. So we have to find out the thermodynamic probability. You can say probability is also directly equal to thermodynamic probability. You can also write here thermodynamic probability. Clear? Thermodynamic probability W N1, N2, because here are only 2 compartments. So N1 particles are in first compartment and N2 particles are in second compartment. That is equal to n factorial. Total number of particles means N1 plus N2 is equal to n. N factorial divided by N1 in first compartment. N1 factorial, N2 factorial. G1, N1, G2, N2. G1 is the cells. The first compartment is divided into 6 cells and second compartment is divided into 2 cells. Okay? G2, N2. Because we know the formula, that is n factorial over pi ni factorial pi gi ni. So here we have only 2, so G1 N1, G2 N2, because this is multiplication pi Ni, means here are only 2, N1 into N2. Clear? Now what is N? N is 8. G1 is 6 and G2 is 2 here, and we have to find out probability for 6-2, thermodynamic probability 6-2. 6-2 means G1 is 6 and G2 is 2. And what is N? N is 8. N is 8 factorial divided by N1 is 6. N1 is 6. 6 factorial. N2 is 2. 2 factorial. G1 is 6. G1 is 6. 6 raised to power N1. N1 is also 6. 6 raised to power 6. G2. G2 is 2. G2 is 2. 2. 2 raised to power N2. N2 is here 2. So this is. Clear? 8 factorial. You can write 8 factorial as 8 factorial 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial, 6 raised to power 6, 2 raised to power 6, 2 raised to power 2. Clear? So 6 factorial goes with 6 factorial, and when you solve this 6 raised to power 6, 2 raised to power 6, you will get 5, 1, 2, 5, 4, 7, 2. Approximate. Or you can also write it 5.1, 2, yeah, 1, 3, here, into 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Approximate. The value is this. Approximate value is 5.12 into 10 raised to power 6. So this is about W62. Now we have to find out most probability for most probable state. Now next is probability for most probable state, that is W. You can find yourself also. I will give you the hint. 4, 4. That is equal to 4. This is 8 factorial and N1 is 4 factorial. N2 is most probable state 4 factorial. G1 is 6. 6 raised to power N1 is 4. 2. G2 is 2. 2 raised to power 4. So you can solve this, and this is after solving 8 factorial. You can cut 4 factorial, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, and you will get the approximate answer like what? Approximate matlab answer is like this. Yeah, you can solve this. Yeah? So this is about the numericals of 4th and 5th lecture, about the time spent and time of observation, and also for the most probable probability, thermodynamic probability for the most probable state, and for a macro state when particles are distributed in compartments which are of unequal size.